Hi everyone, my name is Megan Stackhouse and I'm a meteorologist with the National Weather Service office here in Grand Junction, Colorado. We're back today to talk about the May 2021 climate summary for eastern Utah and western Colorado. So jumping right in, our top weather story of the month was the May 21st winter storm. We had an area of low pressure that remained centered over the Great Basin, and during its quasi-stationary position there, we ended up getting plenty of moisture that was advected into the region, mainly focused on the San Juan Mountains. And as a result, we ended up seeing generally 5 to 10 inches of snow across portions of the southwest San Juan Mountains. This was very wet, heavy snow, and it quickly accumulated on the roads. This is a picture from Red Mountain Pass, and both Red Mountain Pass and Moles Passes were closed during this event as a result of the wet, heavy snow. Looking at high temperatures across the region for the month of May, high temperatures were generally in the 80s for most areas, the exception being Aspen, which had a high temperature of 75 degrees. The warmest high temperature was 89 degrees at the Canyonlands Airport. Grand Junction, we topped out at 88 degrees for the month of May. Looking at low temperatures across the region for the month of May, low temperatures were generally in the upper 20s to low 30s, with the most mild temperature being 37 degrees at the Canyonlands Airport on May 11th. Grand Junction, we bottomed out at 35 degrees on the 9th. Several other sites had 33 degrees for their coldest temperature, and then the coldest temperature for the month was 25 degrees at the Craig Airport on May 6th, and Meeker also bottomed out at 25 degrees. Looking at precipitation across the region for the month of May, unfortunately, 9 out of our 10 climate sites ended the month with below normal precipitation. The exception was Aspen, which was 0.02 of an inch above normal for the month of May, with 1.56 inches for the month. 1.54, excuse me. The least amount of precipitation fell at the Canyonlands Airport with only 0.09 inches, which was over half an inch below normal for the month of May. Grand Junction, we received just over half an inch, which was 0.3 of an inch below normal. As a result of the continued below normal precipitation across the majority of the region and the warm temperatures, we did see the drought continue across our region. We still have the extreme to exceptional drought across much of the forecast area, and we are seeing the severe drought across portions of southwest Colorado. And as far as the outlook for the month of June, the drought is expected to persist across eastern Utah and western Colorado. And finally, looking at the June 2021 temperatures and precipitation outlook from the Climate Prediction Center. Right now, odds are favoring above normal temperatures across eastern Utah and much of western Colorado. And the precipitation outlook, it is showing odds favoring below normal precipitation across northeast Utah and northwest Colorado for the month of June. Oops. And that wraps up our May 2021 climate summary for eastern Utah and western Colorado. As always, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you all next month. Bye, guys.